My name is Thomas Spear, and 1 year ago I almost choked to death on a tooth that fell while I was asleep. I was all alone in the dark bedroom, with no one in the world to help me, hopelessly trying to gasp for air again and again and again, until finally, somebody up there must have really loved me. I coughed blood all over the sheets and pillows, and one tooth. I never, not even 1,000 years, would have thought such a thing was even possible. But even though it was the most terrifying experience from my entire life, it was that precise nightmarish moment that set me on a completely unexpected journey that opened my eyes to the sick and deadly practices of the dental industry. Helped me find out what's really happening inside the body when your gums are bleeding. And eventually led me to the discovery of a completely natural and inexpensive method that makes it possible for you to effortlessly regenerate all your gums, while super cementing your teeth no matter how advanced your tooth decay is. In the following 5 minutes, I'll show you why. Gum disease, tooth decay, or bad breath have nothing to do with how good your oral hygiene is. But with predatory bacteria buried deep inside your gums, eating at your roots and spreading like a plague to your throat, nose, and airways. And no matter what your doctor tells you, not even the deepest cleaning treatments can reach and destroy these bacteria that are tirelessly lurking inside your mouth, even when your teeth seem fine. But once you'll find out what you can do about it, not only will you have the power to get rid of your bleeding gums, bad teeth, and bad breath once and for all, but you'll also never have to face a dentist for horrifying procedures again. Because this solution is so simple that you can use it right now in your own home in less than 60 seconds. And so incredibly powerful that it's been clinically proven to work regardless of your age, medical condition, or the severity of your tooth decay. Without you having to spend a single red cent on endless dental treatments, dangerous chemical-filled medications, painful tartar removal, risky surgeries, or implants. In fact, this cheap method is so amazing that not only does it send shockwaves across the medical establishment, but many doctors see it as a miraculous key that can unlock gum and teeth rejuvenation. Yes, I know how incredible this sounds, especially if you've been suffering from tooth decay and terrible pain thinking there's no escape whatsoever. But even if your dentist has crushed your hopes by saying that it's too late, that you're bound to throw all your hard-earned savings on teeth reconstruction and implants, it's crucial that you stick with me until the very end of the story, because in a few moments, you'll soon be able to save your teeth and smile with confidence once again. Just imagine, no more throbbing pain, no more inflamed bleeding gums and bad breath, no more risking serious infections or stuffing yourself with medications, hoping the pulsating tooth agony will stop for just 1 second. Never having to cover your mouth or feel embarrassed. Instead, eating whatever you want, whenever you want, talking, smiling, and taking pride in showing your pearly whites. Being able to kiss your wife or your kids without seeing them turning their heads away. And never ever having to set foot in a dental office again. Just like 57,000 other people did. People like Nicholas, CJ, 45 years old from Glendale, Arizona.